behind. So they are actually the same. Minus 1y square plus 10y square is the same as 10y square minus 1y square. So you have 9y square. Okay? Can see? Don't need. If you can see that they are in the opposite direction, you can just straight away 10 minus 1. Okay? This one is not necessary. I am trying to show you. You can see minus y square plus 10y square as 10y square minus y square. You can just write the answer. Almir, you come here, talk. Then WA fail. What is the point like that? Hey, I'm not saying y'all cannot be good at other things. Your talent may be in some other things. But then if you put in your effort, all these are not that difficult. And Cheng Xuan, why are you sleeping? You fasting now? Waking up at 4 a.m. Then now suddenly you can wake up already. Okay, so minus 6x squared plus x squared. If you see in the number line that I show you, from 0, we go in the negative by 6. Then we come back only by 1. So end up will be here. Where is here? Here is 1. So this side must be 5. Right? So it is still in the negative direction. So we have negative 5x squared. Okay? F. Minus 3 minus another 9. So altogether minus 12. Okay? If I go back by 3 steps, then I go another 9 steps. End up altogether is 12 steps. But in the negative direction. Okay? Last one. Minus 4y squared. Minus a negative number. Minus minus become plus. Arik, what's the answer?
Oh, this one.
Yes, very good. Good. Okay, next. Aryan, when we have unknown and number, what do? We group the like terms together. Okay? So imagine last time if I have 3x plus 7 plus 2x plus 5, I will go and add my x together and add my numbers together separately. So 3x plus 2x equals to 5x. 7 plus 5 is 12. Then x and number, I cannot add them together, so I stop like that. So this time actually it is similar. X squared and x squared, they are like terms. They are the same. So I can add them together. 3x squared plus 2x squared, 5x squared. Very neat already, what?
I don't care about that. I don't freaking care. That we care.
Okay? 3x squared plus 2x squared, 5x squared. I am showing you when we have x, we add the x together, we add the number together. So now difference is this is x squared, so I just put the like terms together, put the 2x squared terms together. Hey, come in.
Who the hell is this?
We are having lesson here. You walking past like that, talking to him is a very rude thing to do. Don't do that anymore. Next time I'll send you to the red box. Okay. Go. Hey, same for all of you. When other people having lesson, you all don't walk past and go and talk to the people inside. Okay? You are disrupting the lesson. Aaron, why is your PLD not on the cupboard?
Watching. Guys, watching. What do you do? Watching. Check the history.
Mr. Chua just spoke about the usage of your PLD this morning.
Guys, watching.
Huh?
Why are you giving me chance? It's all you watching. What do you do?
Oh, Martin also ah?
Yeah, you know what you do.
Then Martin also put your PLD behind.
No choice. Obvious. Just confiscate it.
Anytime I don't see two PLD there, both PLD go to the GO. Okay? Okay. So we added the x squared terms already. We still need to add the number terms. So 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Then we also add here already. The x squared term and the numbers cannot add together. Okay? Okay. Then let's take a look at part E. For part E, this time you have x squared term, you have x term, you have number term. So same one, x squared and x, they are different. I cannot add them together. So I must go and look for all the x squared terms. I have a 5x squared, I have a 9x squared. So they are the same thing, I can add them together. So 5x squared and 9x squared, they are talking about x squares. So we can add them together. 5x squared and 9x squared add together, 14x squared. Okay? After that, I find all the x squared already. Now I go and find all the x. I have a 6x, I have a 4x. So 6x and 4x, I can add them together. 6x and 4x, I can add them together. I will end up with 10x. But x squared and x, they are different, so I cannot add them together. I have to leave them separated. Does that answer your question? Yeah. X squared and x, they are different, so I don't add them. I leave them separate terms. Okay? Then lastly, there are numbers also. I have a 2, I have a 1. So 2 and 1, they are all numbers, I can add them together. Then I cannot simplify already. This is the end. This is the answer. I will have an x squared term, I will have an x term, I will have a number term. Okay? Okay, your turn to do all the rest of the questions. Tiara! Cheng Xuan, why you also sleeping? Time to do work. Go and practice. Question 2, the rest of the parts.
I didn't say that. Bro, sharing is beyond the back.
Why?
Why are you friends with Charlie Kirk? Are you friends with Are you friends with Aqua? Why do you have a little god in there? There was something like that. I thought you got Charlie Kirk so right. Or you how did you meet Charlie Kirk? Who did you meet Charlie Kirk? Charlie Kirk is what? Oh yeah, that one is good. No, that's why it's not bro.
XY is what? XY is x and y. So XY is the same as x and x squared? Different. So can we add them together? Cannot? So it is by itself another term.
I gave you a little present.
Negative 1 plus 4. It is the same as if I rearrange this. 4 minus 1.
Every time you look at the calculation, why isn't my name on there?
Ari, why you stop?
I need the calculator.
Oh yeah,
That's the best part.
Hey, all done? Huh? Go red box, oh. Go, go, go.
No, can I go toilet?
No. Okay, 2 more minutes.
Can I get paid for this?
Ask them to pay you lah.
Fake friend, say. Fake friend.
I hate you.
Hey, quick, quick. Wait, why? I don't understand. You are sitting here, you know the instruction, but you are not doing. Why? Ari is trying leh. You are still sitting there.
Did you actually just say that? What is this?
Yes. Start. What now?
1 plus 1 equals 3.
Wait, what do you have to do? How to start?
They're very saddening.
They finish.
How do we answers? Real woman only answers.
Even if you are a real woman, you are not such a pretty woman. Okay, done. Okay, let us start. Hey, for those of you who cannot start at all, wait it. You have to first identify what is this thing telling you. Wait it. This expression here is telling you that you have a 8y squared. You have a minus 1. Then you have a minus 6y squared. You have a plus 4. There are 4 terms over there. Okay? So end of the day, you are adding and subtracting things only. So what are the same things? Y squared, 8y squared, 6y squared. They are talking about same things. They are talking about y squared. So I must go and put them together. So for those of you who have difficulty to start, go and put them together. My 8y squared is here. I move my minus 6y squared in front of the minus 1. Then my plus 4 still behind. Why I can do this? Primary school, you all should have learned before. 2 plus 4 is the same as put my 4 in front, put my 2 behind. I can shift the position. Plus and minus, I can shift them. So I shift this third term to the front first. I group them together. Wait, can you understand or not? Okay? So if I have 8 apple minus away 6 apple, those of you who can see, who can group them, you don't need to write the green one. Yes. You can straight away write that now you have 2y squared. Because 8 minus 6 is 2. If you cannot, you take calculator, you go and key in 8 minus 6. But you must know, you are counting y squares. 8 minus 6, your calculator show you 2. Then you must know you are counting y squares. So you have 2y squares. Then this minus 1 plus 4. Same, you can key inside calculator. Minus 1 plus 4, your calculator will tell you positive 3. And this is the answer. Wait here. Then now you still don't want to do. Why? Okay? Then just now, I heard some of you still have problems seeing these numbers. Should it be plus or should it be minus? Okay? Same. If you don't know it should be minus or plus, use a number line to help you. If I start at 0, minus is going to the left, plus is going to the right. I have minus 1, so my minus 1 will end up here at minus 1. After I minus 1, I plus 4. I plus 4 from here. So if I plus 4, I am moving in the right. 1. Still have 3 steps. So end up, I will be in the positive direction here. Go and draw all this out when you are facing problem. It will help you see your direction. Am I in the negative region here, or am I in the positive region? Okay? Plus and minus, they are directions. Okay. So this one, there are 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms. I want to simplify them. The like terms put together. So 9x squared plus a negative x squared. Plus negative means minus. So 9x squared minus x squared, I will have 8x squared. Plus 10 minus 3. Cannot be, you tell me your plus 10 minus 3, you also cannot do, right? Hanser, why now your turn to sleep? Okay? Same. I have 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. Put the like terms together. Since they put the number in front, I also put the number in front also can. Doesn't matter one. 4 and minus 11 put together. I have 4. I take away 11. So, I still have minus 7. Again, those of you who have problem, I start at 0. I move 4 steps. Then I minus 11. So I go back 11 steps. 4 steps are here already. So I still need another 7. So that I move all together 11 steps. Then I will end up in the negative 7. No? They are directions. Add 4, but go backward 11. So out of the 11, 4 is used to cancel away the 4. So I still have a minus 7. Whichever number bigger, it will be in that direction. Minus is bigger this time. So end up it is still at the minus. Just that I add back 4, reduce by 4. Yes. Okay, go. Same minus 2y squared plus 7y squared. So I will end up with 5y squared. It is like 7 take away 2 like that. Then if I want to put it neater, the positive term I put in front. Because when the positive term I put in front, I don't need to write the plus. Then the minus 7 I put behind. Follow? So both these are quite straightforward. F. They give you more terms already. Now, I have 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4, 5, 6. So I go and put the like terms together. I start with my x square terms. Y square. 3y square minus negative 3. Minus negative become plus. So 3y square plus 3y square. End up I will have 6y square. So the y square term done. Then I go to my y term. My y term, I have a minus 10y. I have a plus 10y. Minus is one direction, plus is one direction. So minus 10 plus 10. End up will be Elijah, not thinking. Minus 10y plus 10y, end up will be 0. So I don't have y term. 0y is 0. Okay? Then lastly, I go to my 8 numbers. 8 plus 8, 16. Wicked! Are you following? Wicked! It's no use to just copy. It is more important to listen to why. Why is it like that? But G. Same, we start with the x square terms. So x square term, I look for all the x square term. I have a minus x square. I have a plus 4x square. Minus 1 plus 4. So I still will be end up in the positive bigger. But it must minus 1 already. So plus 3x square. Then I go to my x terms. X terms are minus 7x minus 3x. Minus is going to the left by 7. Then I go another 3 steps to the left. So all of them going to the negative direction. So minus 10x. Minus 7 minus another 3. So all together minus 10. Then lastly the numbers plus 12 and then minus 8. 12 minus 8, 4. Answer. Follow? Nazif? Understand? Jarius, you understand? I have to keep telling you all. Your brain can only concentrate on one thing. If you are talking to Aryan, then you are not listening. Then later you just copy. You copy, you also don't know where these numbers come from. So learn to focus on one thing. You may like ugly lady, ugly woman, but refrain from yourself. Focus on the mathematics. After math lesson, then you go and look at Aryan. Okay? So same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms. Go and look for my y square first. I have a minus 6y square. Then I have a minus negative 2y square. Minus minus become plus. So end up I will have minus 6y square plus 2y square. Minus 6 plus 2. Minus is bigger. So the difference between 6 and 2 is 4. I still have minus 4y square. Minus 6 in the left. Come back 2 spaces. Okay, so still in the negative region. After my y square term, I go and look for my y terms. Only one y term, plus 9y. Then just put my plus 9y there lor. Okay? Then this time round, they give you another one. Plus 9xy. X times y is different from just y. It is also different from y squared. So by itself, it is another term already. So I will have my plus 9xy. Because xy is different from y, xy is different from y squared. Three of them I also cannot add them together already. So each of them will be one term by themselves. Then I still have my number. Only one term. 9 is plus 9. Okay? So I can put it in front as 9, or if I arrange it in terms of my y, then I will put this last lah. Then 9 I put behind, I must put plus 9. By default, the number in front is plus. So if I put my plus 9 in front, at the back, I must put plus 9. Okay? Can? Okay? Cheng Xuan, are you okay? Same. If you cannot stay awake, stand up to help yourself stay awake. Don't come here, waste time. Cut, done ah? Then we go to next page. Not much different, except this time they tell you in English, find the sum. Sum means addition. Find the sum of the following. So they want you to add 20x plus 5x squared and x squared minus 7x. So they just want you to plus only 20x plus 5x squared plus x squared minus 7x. I'm adding these two things together. Okay? Then again, it is just grouping. Put my similar terms together. 5x squared plus x squared, all together 6x squared. 20x plus negative 7x. 13x, because it is 20 minus 7. So 13x. Answer. Cannot simplify already. You have an x squared term, you have an x term. Okay? So addition only, very simple. Go, do now. Hey, wait. I do one subtraction, then later you all can do together. No. Okay, for question 4, they want you to subtract. And they say 4x squared plus 15x from 6x squared plus 24x. So if I subtract 2 from 5, I will take 5 minus 2. So this one same. This one, subtract this from this, means I must take this one, 6x squared plus 24x. And then I subtract. When I subtract, I am subtracting this entire 4x squared plus 15x. So, when I'm subtracting this whole thing, I must put them inside a bracket. Okay? I am not subtracting one thing. I am subtracting two things. So when I subtract, I must put them in a bracket. To remind myself, I want to subtract 4x squared. I also want to subtract the 15x. So when I simplify, it will become minus 4x squared and minus 15x. Then I will have 2x squared plus 9x. Okay, this is important. I am subtracting the entire two terms. So I must put them inside a bracket. Arik, don't give up. Don't give up. Okay, Ken? Okay, try. Question 3, question 4. Do. Do as much as you can. The rest will be homework.